Hello everyone, you're welcome back to another cute hairstyle on this channel. So these are the items I'm going to be using for this hairstyle: cocoa rubber bands, shine and jam gel, a rattle comb, and hair clips. I went ahead to start parting the hair. I wanted a quick hairstyle, so I'm going to be parting this hair into 8 equal parts. For this lower part, I'm going to be dividing it into 2 equal parts. Then the middle parting, I'm going to be dividing into 4 equal parts. Then the upper parting is going to be 2, making it 8 equal partings. So what I'm doing right now is trying to use my shine and jam gel to clean the partings. The hairstyle I'm going to do today is chunky twist. It is very simple and easy to make. It doesn't take time, and also it is suitable for kids and toddlers. So I'm done with the parting, and what I'm doing here is trying to further detangle the hair in order for it to be easy for me to twist it. So what is in my spray bottle is just water and leave-in conditioner. I'm done detangling the hair and I went ahead to twist it. This is how I'm going to do the rest of the hair. I'm going to put all of them into chunky twists. If you are still watching this video at this point, that means you love what you are seeing. Please, I would really appreciate if you would click the like button. May God bless you as you do so. Thank you. I'm done with the twist, and the next step is to beautify the hair with some beads and accessories. Here I'm using a crochet pin to put my bead. I first of all put the bead in the crochet, then I'll open up the crochet and put the hair, then I'll close it and pull it out and secure it with rubber band so that it doesn't fall off. It's now time to slay them edges. I'm using my shine and jam gel and my toothbrush to define the edges. We are now done with the hairstyle, and you guys can see how beautiful baby girl is looking. So thank you so much you guys for staying with us in this video. Also like and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.